Today is a special day. Today is the day I leave Malaysia and enter Thailand via a land border. It is currently 9:30 AM. I only had like 6 hours of sleep, but I'm excited. So I'll head straight to the land checkpoint and proceed into Thailand before finding breakfast. The reason why I'm not eating breakfast in Malaysia is because I spent all my remaining cash in this room's night stay. The room initially cost 80 ringgit, however because I checked in really late, like 3 plus AM, they were okay to just let it go for 44 ringgit. I'm really grateful for that. Hi, checking out. Hi guys, so as I was about to check out of the hotel, Isham here and we talked a bit. I shared about what I was doing.
No problem.
And then he realized I will only have breakfast in Thailand. So he kindly offered me some breakfast and drinks. So really thank you.
No problem, Justin.
It's like a buffet spread. And toast bread too. Thank you. No. 5-star service. So for breakfast they have fried rice and noodles with some sauce. We have noodles and white coffee. Kindness still tastes the best. Ishram here gave me egg and water. And fried rice with chicken.
Rain?
Yeah. And a bowl of cocoa crunch.
Justin, for you.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you for
Thank
coming,
you.
Justin.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, Justin.
Bye Ishram, thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
Hopefully, take care of yourself also.
You too. Bye bye. It is 1 PM and I am 6 kilometers away from the immigration. I left the hotel at 11 AM and seriously, thankfully, I had breakfast then. Because right now, my legs just finds it really hard to move. And I'm moving really slowly. I will probably reach Thailand, find a place, and just rest for today. Guys, I have arrived at Malaysia immigration! Finally! Okay, I was wrong. This is the duty-free trade zone. The immigration is here! Woo!
I get ready. Follow.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, terima kasih. The boat has arrived in Thailand with cars. I think that's my right.
bike. This room has aircon. I've been standing in the sun. Although we have almost reached Thailand. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but that is Thailand. Just waiting for the cars to head out. I just want the experience of sitting inside this room where there's aircon. Arriving in Thailand. Guys, we have arrived in Thailand! It's 3:20 p.m. I am now in Tak Bai, Thailand! I'm going to go look for an accommodation to rest my feet. And after that, I will go find some food! Because I have not eaten lunch and I am hungry. So I found this random ice cream man with his motorbike selling ice cream at a house. I believe he's not from the house, but he just rode by and then people started buying from him. So I'm gonna get one because it's really, really, really hot. How Sit down. Thank you. So everyone stay in the... Yes. Wow. Does the ice cream man come often? How much?
No.
Please.
No problem.
Thank you.
So come in. It's my house.
Yeah. You all speak Malay and Thai? Huh? You all speak Malay and Thai?
Malay.
Malay boleh.
Boleh.
No. I know.
Malay, okay, Malay, okay, Thai, okay.
Oh, you all speak both Malay and Thai?
I only speak Thai and Bahasa Malay.
So you know 3 languages?
Just follow me.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your drinks and the ice cream. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck, bro.
Thank you. We have a very nice family. Bye. Wow guys, what a lovely family. Ang even brought me to a shop for me to purchase a SIM card for my mobile data. They even gave me some food to eat for the road. Look who's walking with me. Let's go. Found myself this place to sleep. Room tour. Alright guys, so I just showered. I also just washed my clothes and now I'm gonna eat. Let's see what we have to eat. Oh, smells like chicken rice. Oh, I am so hungry. Did he make this?
chicken with rice. The sauce is very nice. Chili tomato sweet sauce. Wow, so good. Wow, this is breast meat, but it's so wow. So after this, I'm gonna just do some bike cleaning because it rained so much yesterday, and the bike is full of dirt and sand. After that, I will do some bike maintenance like lubricating the chains, and only after that I'll go and do some editing. I think this chicken is kampong chicken. Maybe that's why the meat is so bouncy. Look, it's so generous of them to give me the breast cause I really need the protein. Very thoughtful. Thank you. The food was really yummy. I gobbled it all up. And I'm gonna drink the water they gave me too. I ordered beef with rice. This smells amazing. I also ordered orange lime soda. So you guys must be like, why is this guy eating again? So after cleaning the bike and all, I realized I'm still hungry. So I just went to the restaurant right beside the accommodation to just take a quick bite. Or like dinner, you know. Just now chicken rice was lunch, now it's dinner. It's currently 8:30 p.m. I'm back in the room and ready to start on some editing. I also ordered some potato wedges to keep me company while I edit. And hopefully I don't take too long tonight. Hi guys, it's currently 3:30 a.m. Just to recap for today. Today has been a day of kindness. I met this guy working at the hotel and he gave me breakfast for free when he found out that I didn't have enough cash to get breakfast outside. And then I crossed Malaysia to Thailand border for the very first time on a ferry. Then a kind family gave me water, cold drinks and ice cream, and even showed me where to get a SIM card for my mobile data, and lastly gave me lunch. This really shows that kindness is everywhere. Anyway, I'm heading to bed, so good night guys.